Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Velar D240 R-Dynamic HSE in Byron Blue. This car's previously had one owner and is next due for a service in June 2023. As it's an approved used vehicle, you get a minimum 12 months approved warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So if we take a look around the car, you've got matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, 22-inch satin light silver with a contrasting diamond turned finish alloy. Going into the back of the car, you've got plenty of space there for 3 passengers. You also have ISOFIX brackets on either side, which is helpful for families. A centre armrest, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as possible. And continuing around the car, you have a powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. As you can see, you do have plenty of space there in the boot for items such as golf clubs and pushchairs. You also have a spare wheel in case of any accidents, and a parcel shelf to keep your personal items more secure. However, that can also be removed if you want it to be. You can close the boot using that button there or the one on your key again. This car also has privacy glass and keyless entry, which again is ideal if you have your hands full. This vehicle's done 11,480 miles. You have R-Dynamic tread plates, electrically adjustable seats and a lovely leather interior which is easy to clean. A fixed panoramic roof allowing a lot more light into the car. Memory seats, handy if there's several people driving the car, along with a Meridian surround sound system for better quality sound. Electric windows along with electrically folding wing mirrors, which is helpful if you're in a tight space, can prevent them from being damaged. Controls on your wheel, so you have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, which is handy for motorway driving, along with a heated steering wheel, definitely a must especially in winter. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go. And here you can view your trip, change your display, view your vehicle settings, vehicle information, media and driver assistance. 10-inch touchscreen. You have a rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. Along with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone. Valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control. And here you can see how to connect your Bluetooth. Different driver modes depending on the weather or where you're driving. Dynamic, Eco, Comfort, Grass, Gravel and Snow, Mud Ruts and Sand. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. And these seats are also massage, ensuring every journey really is as relaxing as it can possibly be. Cup holder, and you have some extra storage in the armrest along with different charging ports, which is handy for long journeys. Stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Range Rover Velar D240 R-Dynamic HSE in Byron Blue. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.